All right, it's time to change the oil on our AAA pump on this Simpson 4200 PSI. This is a popular model that you'll find at Home Depot. They recommend changing the oil after the first 100 hours, and then like 50 hours of run time after that, or every 3 months. So a few things you're going to need for this. You're going to need this oil here. This is the pump crankcase oil for Simpson. I don't remember the exact price on this. I bought it last year. On the back it tells you kind of the recommended time to change this. It's not too expensive though, and I think I found this also at Home Depot. I found this set of Allen wrenches, lifetime warranty, for about 18 bucks with tax at Home Depot as well. The only one you're going to need is this 5/16. Now, right underneath is where you're going to find the actual bolt that's holding all the oil there. And that's what you're going to need that Allen wrench for. And that's located right under here. You need a bigger container than the one I got. Luckily we've got some sand, and so we'll clean this up.